was sitting there, my roommate was doing a paper, and people were knocking on the door. And my suite mates were being loud, so I thought it was them at first, and then they're like, you have to evacuate the building. And we both thought it was a drill, so we kind of took our time. I grabbed my computer and a couple other things, and then they were like freaking out and just yelling at us all the time. We got out here and it was, you know, all wet. Yeah, because I got most of my stuff under my bed, which is low level. And I got a bunch of like expensive electronics in there, our TV and stuff is in there.
I walked out the door and realized that I was like walking through sewage water, and I didn't realize how intense the situation was, but I got out here and it's pretty ridiculous what's going on right now.
Yeah, I was about to say.